You know those days when you don't want anything heavy and you definitely don't want to spend hours in the kitchen? You just want something warm, light, comforting, and most of all, easy to make. Well, this vegetable and beef soup is the perfect go-to, especially during the colder seasons. Hello beautiful people, my name is Zeedel and you are welcome to my kitchen. Let's get cooking because I know you are hungry already. Today we are starting with about half a kilogram of beef. I'm using chuck steak or beef chuck. It's a beautiful cut for soups because it becomes tender and flavorful when slow cooked. I've already cleaned it. Now the next step is to cut it into strips and trimmed off any excess fat. Now, place a large pot on the stove and add about 2 liters of water. Into that, add 2 vegetable bouillon cubes. Since we are using beef, you can absolutely use beef stock instead for an even deeper flavor. Or better still, you can use both. Then, add in some few bay leaves. They add a very subtle, earthy aroma that really elevates the broth. Cover the pot and bring it to a boil. Once the water is boiling, start adding the beef little by little. This is important because if you add all the meat at once, the temperature of the water drops quickly and stops boiling. When that happens, the meat can release more impurities and become tougher instead of sealing properly. Adding it gradually keeps the boil steady and helps the beef stay tender. Cover again and let it cook until the beef is nice and tender. While that's cooking, let's prep our vegetables. For this soup, I'm using beautiful root vegetables, potatoes, carrots, parsnips, celery roots, celery stems, and leek. These vegetables are not just delicious, they are incredibly nutritious. Root vegetables are rich in fiber, which supports healthy digestion and keeps you feeling full longer. Carrots are packed with beta carotene, which is great for your eyes and immune system. Parsnips provide antioxidants and vitamin C, helping to fight inflammation. Potatoes give us potassium for heart health and energy. Celery roots and celery stems are excellent for hydration and contain vitamin K and C, while leeks are wonderful for gut health and thanks to their natural probiotics. So this soup is not just comforting, it's nourishing your body too. Cut all the vegetables into small, evenly sized cubes. Keeping them similar in size helps them cook evenly, so you don't end up with some too soft and others still hard. By now, your beef should be beautifully tender. At this point, you can add another bouillon cube if you feel it needs a bit more depth. Then add in all your chopped vegetables. Give it a gentle stir, cover, and let everything cook together so the vegetables can have their fair share of cooking and absorb all that rich beef flavor. Let it simmer until the vegetables are tender but not mushy. You want them soft but still holding their shape. Once everything is perfectly cooked, it's time to season. Add salt and freshly ground black pepper to taste, and if you love a little heat, which I honestly think you should, sprinkle in some cayenne pepper or chili flakes. That gentle kick takes this soup to another level. To finish, add a handful of freshly chopped parsley. It adds freshness, color, and a little herbal flavor that balances the richness of the broth. And that's it. It is simple, warm, comforting, yet easy to make. A bowl of this on on a cold day just feels like a hug. Thank you so much for watching. See you soon. Bye.